Yeah, so the next question is, which of these methods do I trust the most? Um, well, like I said, you start off by straining the water. Once you've filtered the water or strained the water through your bandana or whatever you've got available. Once you've done that, you can then proceed with the processing of the water. The most or the easiest way, the way that I would use then is the boiling of the water in your canteen cup or your steel container. That would be my one option. The second option would be the chemical way or the water purification road, and then obviously the filter way. If I have to choose one of these for my first choice, it would be the filter, purely because it is the easiest and the quickest way to get the water sorted out. If you've got a water bottle or a 2 liter water bottle, you can actually then just, by running the water through your filter, you can fill up your canteen with the water, and you have water available. But for ease of use, definitely this one. I would use the filter because it is a better way for me to do it. So yeah, definitely my first choice would be the filter.